Somewhere along the way, an ordinary pickup truck became an $80,000 status symbol. And for a lot of young adults, that status symbol is quietly destroying their finances. Because today, people are financing trucks with luxury car prices, 7-year loans, massive monthly payments, and interest rates that turn affordable into expensive very quickly. All for a vehicle most people barely use for actual truck work. And the craziest part? Many people buying these trucks can't actually afford them. Pickup trucks used to be simple. They were built for work, hauling, utility. Now, many modern trucks are basically luxury SUVs with truck beds attached, huge touchscreens, leather interiors, panoramic sunroofs, premium sound systems, and dealerships know exactly how to sell them. Not as transportation, but as identity, strength, success, freedom, status, which is why people in their 20s are taking on car payments that look more like mortgages. Here's the problem. Most buyers don't focus on the total price. They focus on the monthly payment, and dealerships are experts at manipulating that number. Because once loans stretch to 72 months, 84 months, sometimes even longer, almost any vehicle can appear affordable. But affordable monthly payments don't mean affordable vehicles. An $80,000 truck with taxes, interest, insurance, fuel, maintenance can easily cost well over six figures over time. And meanwhile, that same money could have been invested, used to build savings, pay off debt, or create actual financial freedom. Instead, it goes toward a depreciating asset sitting in a parking lot most of the day. Now, to be fair, some people genuinely need trucks. Construction workers, contractors, farmers, people towing heavy equipment, but many people buying expensive trucks today rarely haul anything, rarely tow anything, and mostly use them for commuting, which raises the real question. Are people buying utility or buying an image? Because modern truck culture often became less about necessity and more about lifestyle branding. And that branding is expensive. Let's say someone has a $1,100 monthly truck payment. Over 1 year, that's over $13,000. Over 5 years, more than $65,000. And that's before fuel insurance, maintenance, repairs. Now imagine investing even part of that money instead. This is the part most people ignore. Big car payments don't just cost money today, they delay wealth building for years. Because every massive monthly obligation limits flexibility, investing, saving, and financial security. A lot of this comes down to social pressure. People compare lifestyles constantly now, and vehicles became one of the easiest ways to signal success, especially online. But many financially stressed people look wealthy from the outside because debt is easy to hide. The truck looks impressive. The payment doesn't. And dealerships understand this psychology extremely well. They sell emotion first, numbers second. The goal isn't never buy a truck. The goal is buy what actually fits your life and finances. For many people, that could mean a reliable used truck, a smaller vehicle, or simply waiting until income supports the purchase comfortably. Because financial freedom feels better long-term than looking rich temporarily. And one of the smartest financial moves young adults can make is avoiding giant payments that quietly trap future income. Before buying any expensive vehicle, ask yourself, am I buying transportation or am I buying an identity? Because one decision can affect your finances for years. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about money, psychology, debt, and modern consumer culture. And remember, a vehicle should improve your life, not financially control it.